Mommy?
Oh, it's really scary down there.
Mommy?
This is where the road.
Work?
No, baby, I'm not going to work.
You. But it looked like we're going to your work. So remember we're going to
You
your
see how smart she is, Daddy? Seems like we're going to work.
No, to your work, not to mine.
That's what Mommy said. She said you're going to her work.
Yeah, this is the road going to my work. You're right, blah blah blah.
Stone.
Look at this house here.
I know, Mommy. Wait, that
It's
look
like a,
like that look
like an
Patrick's
igloo.
house.
Like oh my,
Daddy.
See that ice?
Mommy, Daddy.
it drifts.
Mommy, Daddy.
It,
Mommy,
No, it hit
Daddy.
that
Mommy,
hard ice in
Daddy.
the middle.
Mommy, Daddy.
yes, baby.
That look like Patrick's house.
Patrick house, yeah,
house?
yeah, yeah.
We have a rock.
And who's
Yeah.
Patrick? What show is Patrick on? Who's on the show with him?
Spa.
Yeah, there
SpongeBob
you go.
SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
And who's the one with all the tentacles?
Mm-hmm.
And
True. So
The
cool.
other one with Patrick and Squirrel.
Everything is look white, and in the phone it look like blurred. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh, look, they got the snowplows. Amazon.
Ooh,
Amazon's paying for that.
I think so.
I bet they are, because they want them trucks in and out of there.
Yeah.
Look,
Snowplow, baby.
yep, that's City of Olive Branch. They cleaning the roads.
Wow, City of
Public
Olive
Works.
Branch is on the go.
Where are we going? Going to your work, Mom?
No, baby, look at the snowplow.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna freak out. Oh my gosh.
See the snowplow? Look.
See it, baby?
Oh my god, they're moving now.
Mm-hmm.
They're right there and they're molding.
Mhm.
And wait for all your work to be done.
Yeah, that's going to mommy's work.
I have to take this jacket. My arm is sweaty.
It is.
Yeah, from the snow.
You sweating?
You want to remove the jacket?
Just a minute, because we're
Just-
going to
just
go
wait
back
now.
outside here in just a minute, okay? You want to go back outside?
No.
You don't? You don't want to go in the store?
Yeah, go to the store.
But we got to walk from the car to get in the store. It's going to be what? Driving close on there. Look how close they drive with each other.
Yeah, that's very dangerous because the road is so slide.
I don't like the hair.
You don't like
No,
what?
just hold it. The hair tie.
I hold two of them.
Oh. Walgreens is open. Good.
Good, good, good.
This guy goes ahead.
Oh, oh.
Oh my god.
Robinson.
Slushy road.
These tire tracks here.
Mom, I watch your phone now.
Mommy,
No,
look,
Mommy's
Mommy's
videoing.
videoing.
Don't fail in, Mom.
We're going to Walgreens. You want to go to Walgreens?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you hit the ice on the road, like zzz.
Go over here where the ice and where snow is gone. See them park over here? Don't slip on the ice too bad, okay?
Daddy,
What?
that's your. I see the sign with like Dad's word.
That is work.
Yeah, I see the sign.
All right.
Daddy will hold you because mommy is making video.
I'll put grab it.
Come here.
Yeah, I can
Don't run because the road is full of ice. No. Yeah. Just hold Daddy. I told her just hold Daddy. Hold with Daddy, Bolanga.
Nom nom. Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, Mom.
Yeah, it's not open. Because it's, yeah. No, it's not open because it did not.
No.
What, Mom? Close?
Yeah, it's closed. Nobody works because it's too cold and dangerous.
We're going to go. We're just going to look. I'm going to find me some ice cream. If I have to get out my milk and my snow and make you some. Look at me.
Daddy will find way.
Have I failed you yet? I haven't had a.
Pew, pew, pew.
Come on.
I sleep my red bands on. I'll straight them on.
All right. Well, guess what? Walgreens ain't open.
So we're
Huh?
going home. The Kroger is still open, right? As Zach said.
I don't. Yeah, but I don't want to
That's
drive
too
through
far.
Kroger, honey.
Yeah, that's too far. We just go home. So scared driving everywhere, Daddy.
Dad, we have
Yeah,
color.
man, I'm okay, honey. The road is okay now. It's slushy. It's a lot better to travel on than it will be tomorrow and the next day because it's going to be below freezing and this is going to freeze.
Oh.
And you're not going to be able to drive on this. It's
Oh.
going to be hard. You'll be sliding everywhere.
Oh, no, I
See,
understand.
that's what they talk about. This is where it refreezes. It gets like now, tonight, tomorrow. All this is going to refreeze. It's going to be like a sheet of ice.
Oh, it's so dangerous tomorrow.
Yes.
For example, if I go to work tomorrow, tonight, it's dangerous for you to pick
No,
up
it's not. I'll be
tomorrow.
okay, but I'm just saying that that's what it. This road here, that's what's going to happen. It's, when it gets below freezing, it's going to be below freezing. Wendy's is closed too.
Yeah, this is closed.
We're going to go ahead to
and-
Dollar General if they're closed, and we'll go down here and just buy single ice cream cones. Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to get a big tub of ice cream.
I don't know if Piggly Wiggly did.
Yeah, pickle.
Yeah, but that's dangerous there. That's where the
But the roads are better. This morning they were frozen, and with the freezing.
that's
ice.
where a lot of in danger in there
I'm
in
going up
Piggly
here
Wiggly,
to
right?
see if this Dollar General's open. If that Dollar General's open, then we'll go in there. But if it's not, then we'll have to go to the Piggly Wiggly. Or I'll just go
Yeah, but
Circle K.
It's dangerous in Piggly Wiggly, right?
I can go with you need something from the Piggly Wiggly?
No,
Oh.
we have a lot of food. Why we're going out?
Ice cream. Do we got ice cream?
No, but we don't need. We don't need to. It's just an ice cream.
But what?
It's Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Ding.
How do you know it's a Taco Bell?
Don't Taco Bell commercials go. Taco Bell.
Ding.
Huh?
Hey, what's Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Why is
Taco
Bell
Ice cream.
ice
Yeah, the Dollar General's open over there.
It's like a ghost
I
town.
guess it's the Dollar General or it's the daycare. People picking up their kids at the daycare.
Mm,
Oh my
See, that's one thing about having a daycare. You have to.
great food. Oh, look at that. The car is having a hard time going that way.
See, the Dollar General's open, so we might get lucky.
Oh yeah, the
Okay.
Dollar General is open.
This is why I parked the big truck out here a lot of times.
Yeah, it's really open. Somebody get in. Dollar General.
The Dollar General's open?
Yeah,
Been
this
out junk collecting. Look.
Oh wow,
Ew.
junk collector.
Ew, it's open.
I don't know.
See?
Maybe they earn more with that. They repair it. Maybe they
No, you
repair
don't
it.
repair it, honey. You take it. It's metal. It's salvage.
Really?
It's salvage.
Sonic. That's Sonic, Daddy, or what is that there? Sonic.
This lady's waiting.
Yeah. Okay, you have to hold Daddy. I will make a video. Oh, nice. Wait. It's really slide, Daddy. It's really slide. Don't run lang ha because the thing is so slide.
Don't run. Hold your hand.
Don't run. See, it's ice in there. The
Hold my hand.
it's ice. See?
Why do all the people draw all their trash here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, some people are trashy. Go to Daddy. Follow your Daddy.
The trash.
Follow me. Mhm. Hmm. Oh yeah, follow your Daddy then. Oh wow, it's all empty. Dollar General here earn more because they're the only one who is open. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What kind of ice cream y'all want? Kit Kat?
Daddy, I've seen this, Daddy.
What? Yeah, you want that?
Get it.
Good.
Is this?
What kind of ice cream you want?
Oh, this is
Bars or you want tub ice cream?
just a tub. Oh,
You have a big one. Wish they had.
you don't have a big one. There's a caramel.
There's a mint chocolate.
I don't like that mint.
Just hold on.
There's a peanut butter.
Get peanut butter park right there.
Yeah,
They put food
peanut butter.
hold this for me.
Ooh, there is an almond at the back. Yeah, at the very back. See? There, yeah.
Philly cheese. They got some chicken bacon ranch. They got some garlic butter pepperoni. They got
Yeah.
It's smashed? Or,
Yeah, it's just smashed, honey.
oh, it's okay. Oh, just hold it.
Watch out, Gary.
Come here, baby. Hold mommy, baby. No, mommy.
Get the green.
Mm-hmm. We will get some basket. You need some basket?
For what?
Or just go?
What do you need a basket?
For you not to hold like that.
I got it. That's what I'm saying.
Toys, toys.
What do you need?
Toy. I want toys. I want
Uy, there is a poop there.
Where?
There is a poop toy.
Where? Where's the one that's like this, Dad?
What?
It's
Slinky?
stretchy.
A, B, C. This is an A, B, C.
Stretchy.
That's
Let's go.
magnetic.
More toys.
Toys. Now let's go, Daddy. The ice cream will melt.
I want it.
You got candy there.
Yeah, you got a lot
let's
of
go.
candy. So just
Look
go.
at there.
More
Toys.
toys. Sorry.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There you go.
Where are you going? Oh.
Chips for the boys. They like those hot chips. See, hot chips over there.
No. My son. Oh, yeah, you got already like that. You don't even.
But Daddy, it's
You don't.
bigger.
Hmm?
It's bigger. I want small one.
Get a bag of them Cheetos down there. Them Fritos right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that.
One, Daddy, two.
Let me get two. You want two?
Just get two.
You eat some of them. I will not.
Chili cheese,
Daddy, please.
flavored corn chips.
Chili cheese too?
Oh, we'll get one.
Daddy, I eat some of them.
No more. You want me to hold? Just hold
No, I
it.
got it. You hold your video.
Come here, baby.
You please, hold this for me.
Mm. You want to go to pee? Come here, come here. Let's go. I'll give that to Daddy. Daddy needs to scan this one. Now let's go.